have the lucky draw that's happening right now. And I was just wondering that a lot of people normally in here, we believe that we have lucky numbers. Anybody, 13 is a lucky number because today is the date. Anyone? Yeah? Fantastic. Let's see. You never know. Believe in yourself before we believe in you. Okay, fantastic. We have a president and vice president who are going to join us. I'll just give you a little bit of gist of what's going to happen. We're going to place the box here. If you fill the feedback form for both days and attended both days and are here present, when we take out the name is when you win the lucky draw. We have 5 to give away. And all of these 5 are these wonderful iPads that you're going to get. Lucky draw partner, we're very thankful to them, CamTools. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're ready because Mr. Sherigar is right here. I'm going to also request our Vice President to join us. May I please request our Vice President to join us, and let's see how we can take this forward. Mr. D. Shanmuga Sundaram, let's have you on stage. We have the lucky draw that's going to start in the next couple of seconds. I think they are ready. Are you ready? Yes? Today we've not done any engagements and fillers because predominantly we wanted to just, make sure that we end on time. But we just want to find out how was it? If it was good, can you please put your hands together? Give both of them a huge round of applause. Year on year, they've taken the initiative to do this. And thank you for this wonderful opportunity to be a part of such a platform, which is quite robust in so many ways. Also, ladies and gentlemen, all of our wonderful sponsors, I have to take this opportunity to thank all of them, without whom this definitely would have been incomplete. As I thank all of our wonderful sponsors, please join me in thanking them as well. All of them have made it possible. Powered by a sponsor, Multiple Special Steel Private Limited, Gold Partners, Fibro India Precision Products Private Limited, Makino India Private Limited, S&T Group, Networking, Museburger India Private Limited, Hasco India Private Limited, RegoFix India Private Limited, Haiti, Blumno Test, Measuring and Testing Technology Private Limited, Lucky Draw, CamTools Industries Private Limited, Associate, 3M Tool Room, Planeto Tool Tech Private Limited, Hot Mold Engineering Private Limited, and our telecast partner, ET Now. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, I hope you're ready. Are you ready to do this? Yes? Let's see, Pune, today, who is going to walk away with these wonderful lucky draws that we have. We're going to get the box here. Let's have the box. You can still give it to us. Let's take out one for now. Let's take out, yes, we're going to keep this here. The first lucky draw is going out to somebody from here. Please, there are 2 things you can do. Send good wishes for yourself and also send some wishes that the number or the name that we take out is not here. So 2 wishes that you can make. Please. Gentlemen, let's take out the first lucky draw here this evening.
Lady from the audience.
May I request, ma'am? We want one lady from the audience to pick out the lucky draw. She's like, oh, my name wasn't announced, I won. No. We wanted Lady Luck to begin the lucky draw. It always kind of gets the ball rolling. Sure, please. Please, after you, ma'am. Okay. The first winner is Mr. Santosh Nake from Siemens Limited. Is he here? He's here! Fantastic! Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations, this is the first one that's just gone out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have the second lucky draw. This time, mix it up as much as you can and take it out. Okay, so these lovely lucky draw prizes by Cam Tools. Let's have the next one getting out here. And ladies and gentlemen, the next lucky draw here this evening goes to
Shekhar Vibhuti Komal Plastic.
Is he here with us? Mr. Shekhar Vibhuti, are you here? Your last four mobile digits are 8884. No? Mr. Shekhar Vibhuti, are you here?
So sorry.
Yeah, we're going to call out thrice just to be sure in case. Mr. Shekhar Vibhuti, he's going to be so sad if he's got a nature's call right now. Okay, the next one. Let's see, the second lucky draw here this evening goes to Mr. Keyur Bipin Parekh. He is right here. There he is. Congratulations. Congratulations. And ladies and gentlemen, just a few last minute entries that came in. We've added everything to the box now, so all of you are in there. And let's see, the next lucky draw here this evening goes to
Tapan Kumar Muganta.
Mr. Tapan Kumar Mohanta, are you here? You can raise your hand. Yeah. Mr. Tapan, are you here? Are you Mr. Tapan? We have someone telling us, please check IDs, okay? That is, I think, a fair one. Yes. Mr. Tapan, I hope you are... Oh, finally we have a smile. He walked there with such a serious face. I was wondering if he's happy or not, but yes, he is. Congratulations. And the last two to go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's find out. And the next one, ladies and gentlemen, goes to
Ramakrishna Edera. Fibro. Oh, Fibro.
Wow, congratulations. Okay, is anybody's birthday today? Anybody has their birthday today? No? Okay. Congratulations, we have a last lucky draw here this evening. And that goes to Himanshi, no, not there. Goes to
Rahul Dalabi.
There he is. He's raised his hand right from the back. Congratulations, Mr. Rahul. Naam to suna hai. And now you get this fantastic lucky draw. We're so glad you're here. Thank you for being this wonderful audience and being a part of ITS 2025. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen.